Yes, here we introduce you the aluminium window fabrication line process. This is our aluminium fabrication shop, aluminium window fabrication shop, and the whole process. You can see we will start from the cutting machine. We will start from the cutting machine, which is the same with the UPVC window fabrication line. The first is a cutting machine which cut off in 45 degree of the aluminium frame and sash. This is the double mitre saw. This is a double mitre saw which cut off two angles at one time. Two angles at one time. You can set up your cutting size accordingly, automatically, and then after cutting off, then this is your proper scrap. This is your proper scrap. Then after cutting, you want to make sure the surface is clean and nice. It's clean and nice. There's no any blur. There's no any extra blur, and there's no any breaking point on your corner. And then you want to save your material cost, so you want the scrap to be in minimum. So there's no extra scrap in terms of waste. By the cart, you move the material to the next station. You move the cart to the next station. Especially, this is the milling cart. This is the milling cart, and then with the milling cart, you want to cut off. You want to cut off your milling in the shape of according to the frame, so that your milling and the frame can connect together. 拼一下啊！哎，这个能拼得上吗？This will be your end milling result, the end milling connection result. Here is the end milling process, where you install the cutter on the end milling machine. And then the cutter has to be specially designed according to proper conditions. This is a punching machine. This is a punching machine, which is the punching process in aluminium window fabrication. The punching die has to be specially designed according to profile and all the punching dimensions. And the punching die can be easily replaced according to your requirement. And the aluminium profile here is a special thermal break aluminium, which means two parts of aluminium is connected together with the thermal break. The thermal break is a special nylon material. Is a special nylon material to cut off the heat transfer between the in and out of your house. This is a corner crimping process. After you do your 45-degree angle cutting, and then after preparation of all the water slot holes and do the end milling, Then you want to make your whole frame as in a square. In a square. Yeah. And then unlike the UPVC window, which you do the welding at the corner, aluminum part, you do the corner crimping. Yeah, which is a better process, better technique than screwing process. Here you can see inside the corner you will need the corner key, a corner key material.没看见脚码吧？ This is the material before corner crimping. You put the corner key. You put the corner key inside, and then you will have one connector. Yeah. To make sure that it's a pure 90 degree. To make sure that it's a pure 90 degree corner. Yeah, this is the piece before you do the corner crimping. Yeah, and then this is your thermal brick material. Can you have it?